A short review on Robinhood stocks and crypto application on the website. This is powered by the Robinhood Bank, and here you can simply trade your trends, their expertise. You can unlock all the insights about how you can simply trade on the crypto, how you can simply buy stocks, how you can intuitive trading tools build your strategy and track market trends seamlessly. Trade stocks, options, crypto, and more on this Robinhood application website. Get started with Robinhood Crypto. Trade crypto from the official website 24 into 7. Start with little $1 and then you can start selling or buying all the details or stock here. Your portfolio handled by the pros on the website here, that is Robinhood. The brokers will manage selling and buying of your stocks in this website, so there is no chance of simply making a mistake. Generally you won't get a mistake here. And Robinhood is a trusted bank website or an organization that you can simply trust to keep your money safe within. They provide multi-factor authentication on all account. They will get back to you available after every 24/7 and then become a better investor on the go. This is how you can use it. Thank you so much for watching this video.